In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Shopify. Advertising on Shopify is a powerful tool for driving traffic, reaching your target audience, and boosting sales. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your existing strategies, this guide will take you through the necessary steps to advertise effectively on Shopify. First things first, let's head over to Shopify's website, navigate to the official page, and once you're there, look for the login button. This should be pretty straightforward to find. Clicking on it will take you closer to the action. Next up, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Shopify store for a smooth login process. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to input your password. Double check that you've entered the right password to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control room, where you'll manage everything from sales to marketing. Look for the My Store option to proceed. Now, to dive into the advertising side of things, click on the marketing section of your Shopify admin. This area is dedicated to helping you set up, manage, and analyze your advertising and marketing campaigns. For those looking to launch a new campaign, Shopify simplifies this process. You have the option to add campaigns directly from the marketing section. It's a straightforward way to create targeted efforts that can drive more traffic and conversions to your store. Additionally, Shopify enables you to automate certain marketing tasks. Click on the Automations tab within the marketing section. Here you can explore different templates that Shopify provides to make your marketing more efficient. These templates are designed to automate tasks like email campaigns, social media posts, and much more, saving you time and potentially increasing your sales. But that's not all. Shopify also offers the ability to add discounts to your store, which can be a great way to entice customers to make a purchase. Navigate to the discounts section to start creating offers that will appeal to your customers. You have several options, including discounts on specific products, buy X get Y deals, and even order discounts. To add a specific discount type, such as a monetary amount off products or orders, simply select the respective option and fill in the details. Each discount type has its unique setup process, but Shopify's intuitive interface makes it easy. For those interested in creating a buy X get Y deal, the process is equally straightforward. This type of discount encourages customers to purchase more by offering them a free or discounted item in return. After selecting this option, specify the products involved and the discount conditions. Another crucial advertising strategy is offering free shipping. It can significantly impact your store's conversion rates. To set this up, go back to the discounts section and choose the free shipping option. Like the other discount types, you'll need to provide some details to configure this offer. Finally, let's touch on the importance of monitoring and adjusting your advertising strategies. Shopify provides insightful reports that allow you to see the performance of your campaigns and discounts. Use this data to understand what's working and what isn't. This continuous feedback loop will enable you to refine your advertising strategies for better results over time. By following these steps, creating effective advertisements on Shopify becomes a manageable process. Whether you're looking to attract more visitors, engage your current customer base, or drive higher sales, Shopify's advertising tools can help you achieve your goals. Remember, advertising is not a set it and forget it task. Continuous optimization based on performance data will be key to your success. Don't be afraid to experiment with different campaigns and discounts to see what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to advertise on Shopify. With these tools and strategies at your disposal, you're well on your way to enhancing your online store's visibility and attractiveness to customers. Happy advertising!